James Logan, Granger Company. There are several tribes who have declared war against the emigrants and are stealing everything they can lay hands on and killing all who they find defenseless. In Idaho, from La Prairie to Deer Creek, they have made a general and almost simultaneous descent on the immigrant. 1864. With these testimonies and evidence collected from the attacks, saddles, arrows, etc., the responsible tribal bands can be narrowed down. Captain Levi Reinhardt, the commanding officer at Deer Creek Garrison, prepares for a formal military response. Corporal Hervey Johnson, Union Army, Company G. 200 men and 2 pieces of artillery arrived here yesterday from the fort. About 160 of us start tonight to hunt the Indian village. July 18.